Alright guys, we're back playing some Dark Souls 3. We're gonna kind of see how it goes. I've been playing Dark Souls a little bit now, and then Derek, you've been playing Bloodborne, yeah?
Yep.
I'm not too far in Bloodborne. I'm also not too far in Dark Souls. Like, I guess I've beaten the first few bosses, so I kind of have the first area down okay, but I don't know. I guess we'll start a new one?
I think we're just trying to see what builds are like our personality.
Dummy strength.
Oh no.
Where the transitory lands of the Lords of Cinder converge.
Yeah, we all know Dark Souls story.
I don't actually.
I don't think. I think the secret is no one knows.
Oh, good.
Dark Souls 3 is the first one that I actually started to like
Discover the truth
get good with. So I know the first Dark Souls kind of well only because back in my apartment, the kid above me played it. And so hear me out. He was really good at Dark Souls. The dude literally had a bed on the floor, a moon chair, one of those like circular chairs that just sat on the floor, a TV on the floor, and Dark Souls.
Doing life right.
Do it, yeah. Just if you're gonna be good, you need dedication. His name is Court.
Oh God.
Yep, I used to call him Court 45 and 2 zigzags. I think he hated it. I don't
You
care.
think?
Maybe.
I would. I kind of hate it.
I also don't know if Court was his real name. I also think so. That is a weird kid. He was really nice. I think that was a getaway from his actual parents' home because he didn't seem to like live there. I think he paid for a studio apartment just to like his parents would fight and he would just leave.
I mean, if
And
you
go
got
stay
the
in the
money for
apartment.
it.
But there was really nothing in there. He really had a bed on the floor, a moon chair, an old television, and Dark Souls.
There you go. That's all you need.
So I only know that game kind of through him. And then Dark Souls 2, I think I only played the beginning. And then Dark Souls 3 is what I'm playing now.
God, he's so big.
He's a big boy. He's a big boy. He's a big boy.
And I only played a little bit of the beginning of Dark Souls 3, and I've never played any of the others.
I like the look of these games.
They do look nice.
Like I like the environments and the characters and
The
is that lore or is lore like just storyline?
The aesthetic?
Aesthetic, yeah. I like the aesthetic of this game.
Okay.
I say as your TV suddenly drops. Oh, it's supposed to look sparkly. I thought your TV was failing on us. Now of all times.
TV's broken.
TV's broken. Moon's haunted. What? Moon's haunted. Some stupid. Sorry, some stupid shit I read on the internet today, where it's like, ideally it's ground control, and then one of the astronauts that they just sent up comes walking through ground control holding a shotgun, and everyone's like, "What are you doing here?" And he just goes, "Moon's haunted." Guy goes, "What?" He just goes, "Moon's haunted," and then leaves.
Okay. Moon's haunted, guys. Heard
Moon's
it here
haunted.
first.
Alright, how ridiculous are you going to make your character look?
How about you don't judge me? We need a name. Krunk. Nope.
No.
Too easy. Krungar. Krungar.
Do it.
Third. Nope.
That's. There you go.
Krungar. Done. Gender. Yeah, I'll keep them male, I guess. I usually always make female characters. I make this one different.
Aged. He's an old
Can we
man.
make him old boy?
Yeah, why not?
Old boy. Class. Mercenary. See, I don't like. I've started at least one of most of these, but I'm just not very. I'll be fair with you guys. I have a pyromancer. I love my pyromancer, but boy, can he like not take a hit. I don't know if that's something I'm doing wrong or.
It's just your fault.
Cleric's got high faith. I don't see.
What does faith do?
They did spells and stuff.
Neat.
It's. I don't know how to, because there's like the pyromancy spells, and then there's like faith spells, miracles. They call them miracles. Thank you.
All right.
Yep. I guess we'll do. I'm gonna do warrior. We'll do another one. We do warrior. What is warrior? Vitality, strength, dexterity. Vitality, strength, dexterity. Endurance. What do you start with?
Just go for
Vigor.
pure dexterity build.
He's got high vigor. This guy's got no attunement though. I don't need attunement with what I'm going with. I don't. Everyone says dex build, but it's just. It's like a. Bloodborne. I don't know. Dex builds never really got me anywhere. Burial gift, life ring. I don't think anything else is really worth it. Because you. Firebomb. Uncouth. Fire gem, which we'll get later. Rusted gold coin. Yeah, whatever. We'll just keep life ring. Everything else is like a usable. It's a one-time use. These presets. Wow.
Oh no.
That tiny eyes.
Oh no.
Whoa. You know what? We're going with that green. There you go. That's.
What are you gonna do to this poor guy?
Oof.
Large head.
Oh god.
Just burly. I'm thinking real burly.
I mean, he's a warrior.
Age, voice. Old muscles. Body hair. Thick. Build detail. Big wide.
I mean, oh no.
And then look at base skin color, terrifying. Good.
Just a slight shade of terrifying.
Just a slight state of jaundice. Whoa!
Oh, there you go, Shrek.
Radioactive. Hulk. Old man Hulk.
This, yeah. The golden boy. He's actually looking kind of human. Not anymore.
Yeah, not
Yeah.
anymore.
Passed human a little while ago.
Kind of like the Goldie skin. You're gonna go back to that.
Oh no.
Whoops.
That's not gold.
That's not it.
Skin tone. We did this. I don't know what I'm doing.
That's okay.
Do you ever though?
Da-da-da. Nope. Sometimes you just gotta send it. Similar face. Features. Old boy.
Very
Hey.
feminine old boy.
I guess feminine
Oh,
means big eyes.
no.
Oh
What
lord.
is happening?
I don't
Yep.
understand.
Who needs cyberpunk character creation? We have Dark Souls.
We have Dark Souls. What does this change? Change protrusion.
Terrifying,
I
man.
love it. So features up or down? Up.
Yep.
Wah wah. Red. Deep.
This poor man. I don't know what he did in life to deserve this.
Maybe he was born with
Well,
it.
aren't you dead?
Maybe it's Maybelline.
In the Dark Souls story, aren't you like undead or
Yeah,
something?
some sort of undead. You're like in ashen or whatever. Eyes. Eye position.
All the way up.
All the way up?
No.
Down one seems funnier. All the way up. Eye size, large. Eye slant.
I'm touching.
Touch. Wide. There you go. Let's put him out a little bit. Looks so sad. I just want to give him a big old hug.
Good luck with that. His nose will cut you.
That or his chin.
I don't know. At this point, it's kind of the same thing.
Nose protrusion. I think it's protruded.
How do you eat?
Chopsticks.
Carefully.
No.
Oh boy.
Oh no.
This is great.
It's terrifying.
Welcome to episode 1, character creation. He's almost smiling.
Or just have giant.
Chipmunk cheek.
Little shape. A little bit of purse. Put some happy on him. Big old large. Lip size. More lip.
Can't even see him.
Yeah, putting them thick lips on. That long chin. Chin protrusion. It is protruded.
That is a giant chin. It's flat too.
A little bit, yeah. Puts his extra food on there.
Yeah,
Who was that fool from the Fairly Odd Parents, the superhero? The Mighty Mandible or whatever?
Oh no, it's Crimson Chin.
The It's even funnier.
Thanks for knowing that, Derek.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, thanks for knowing that off the cuff.
What can I say? I watched that show a lot.
He was on it. He's like waiting for that his whole life.
Oh no!
Apparently, all the YouTubers do pink hair.
Why?
I don't know.
We're not doing pink hair. We might.
Look at that
We'll see where
forehead. His brow line.
Look at that.
Oh my
Bam!
god! This poor man.
Maybe he's happy with it. Alright, well, bowl cut off the bat.
Yes.
Some scraggles. Oh, that's kind of nice.
He may look like a monster, but he has nice hair.
What is it? Where are you? And I'm so sorry. I can't. Too much.
Oh no!
Caveman look.
Oh, there it was. That was your
Where?
hair.
Right here?
Nope, up one.
Up, one, up, right there?
Yep, there you go.
Wow!
There you go.
Alright, we'll keep that. For the little pigtails.
Oh no!
I think we're probably going to keep this one.
Good.
And I'm so sorry. Cannot sleep. Sorry.
We know you're not.
Hair color.
Don't lie to me.
Brow, where's them big bushy boys?
Oh no!
Unibrow?
Unibrow it.
Can I?
Yeah.
I was
Unibrow.
looking at it. It's not aggressive enough. I guess it'll just have to work. I mean, I'll make that one pink. How do I make that one stand out?
Oh no.
Needs more.
Oh, right. Red and blue make pink. I've never made colors before. Here.
Mutton chops.
No, you don't want to hide that face.
Please.
Ow.
Please
Yeah.
give me your blessing.
All right. I'll allow it.
Well, let's take a look at the mutton chops. These mutton chops. I
Yeah.
don't think they're enough.
No, they're not.
No.
You're right.
Captain Price? We can price it. Well,
Go for the chin beard.
the whole one or this thing?
Down.
Just
That one.
The goat?
Yep.
Just goat it?
Yep.
It's a lot of goat. I mean,
That's
it's
a big goatee.
It's really
I mean-
spread out.
He's got a lot of chin. A lot of chin.
Maybe I gotta do the stash.
Do it.
I'm sorry. We'll make this pink as well. We are not all other YouTubers. We are most YouTubers.
Oh no.
Can I let's paint that? I don't know how colors work. A little bit green, that's how you do it. Yep, I knew it. I knew there was a color in there somewhere.
Oh, long. Yes. Yes.
It's all the same page immediately. Maybe we won't do black hair though.
What are you gonna give him?
How did we get stuck here? This has to be like the first 15 minutes.
Yeah. 16 and change.
We'll do blue. There.
It goes.
Yeah, it goes.
Yeah.
It matches. Pupils. I didn't even think about that. It's big old black pupils. Scary boy. Color. Pink. Bright pupil. Look blind. Bright pupil color. Pink. With pupil. Black. Go let people color. It's stuck being black, isn't it? Cosmetics. Tone around eyes. Ooh, yeah. Dark it up. Eye socket. Dark. Eyelid brightness. Dark. Eyelid color. Also dark.
This poor
Oh,
man.
nope. It's getting green on me. And yeah. Change this up.
He's been in some fights.
Hey, he's seen a fight or two in his life, huh? Eyeliner. Dark. Eyeshadow. Also dark. Because that's hot.
God.
The raccoon look is in. Lipstick. Dark red. I think you can maybe see it. I think it's because he doesn't really have lips. He's got a lower lip on him, though. Got a mighty lower lip. What's the mandible word for lip? Tattoo mark. The mandiblian. Some scripture. I can't even see it. I guess I could change it around, but I'm not gonna take that much time. Saved favorites. Wow. Thank you so much. Finalize. Yup, start it. We'll see where this goes. Woo! Oh.
Loading.
I guess. And we're loading. Cannot load this motherfucking game. We should probably figure out if melody also gets demonetized. Before I take that too far.
Yeah.
Oh, you're fine.
The bot's gonna get me. Because I sound just like him.
Ooh, yeah, sure.
Cemetery of Ash. Okay. Control camera. Knew that. Regular attack. Also knew that. Strong attack. It's because I've been through here before. I don't mind relearning backstep. Okay. That's killed me before.
Backstep?
Yeah, because like I was like getting ready to run
Oh.
without heading forward, and I backstep off a ledge.
No.
Whoops. Well, welcome to Dark Souls, baby. Deserted corpse. Get out of here. That's this flask. Not gonna do me any good. Guard. Behind enemy is a critical hit.
I think you got him.
I think I got him. Anything over here or something over here? that? Parry. Funny, that was the one I was here for too. Okay. On my other character, I had the skill of the shield said that it parried. Couldn't fucking remember how to parry anything. I was all mad. I was like, I'm holding the parry button. You gotta time it, huh? Luck.
No luck, just skill.
I'm not taking skill from that. Trust me.
Alright, so let's turn back.
Yeah, fuck that.
Video over.
There's big shit. Yeah, video over. Sorry, boys. Gotta go home. Video over. Fight this thing.
I believe in you.
I remember trying to fight this thing.
How'd that go for you?
It's hard.
It's tough. But it can be done. You just have to persevere.
It's way easier with the pyromancer.
Ooh.
With the pyromancer, I can at least hide. I'm doing a lot of damage to him. Oh! Saw that coming too.
Well, why didn't you dodge it?
Eat better.
Oh, okay. That was fast. Please heal.
Roll.
I can kind of cheese him if I make him like roll down this way.
Oh.
And then I can like do this for a good hunk of damage.
I don't think you did that right.
I got him, didn't I? I got him again. For that sweet 150.
That's cheating.
Oh!
Ah, come on. That's what you get for cheating.
No, no, no! I made a mistake!
He's like, I know what you did.
I know what you did. I'll be doing that shit too.
Get him. Get him.
So close.
Oh my goodness.
Don't get
One
cocky.
more.
There you go.
Got him. Got him. Gold medals. Gold medals, baby.
You want medals in Dark Souls? Come on.
Souls of an unknown traveler. Unloan.
Unloan?
Unloan. You heard me. Nah,
You know how words work.
you know, yeah. Mush mouth. I'm getting that mush mouth. Mush mouth. Go back. Oop.
Don't need your warnings.
Dead.
I don't need your warnings.
Change weapons, toggle items. Well, I will need your healies though up here. Oh, feed me those sweet heals.
I think this guy is where I stopped.
This this got my buddy Justin stopped too. He made it all the way to here.
I didn't kill the lizard creature. I'm like, nope, that's not happening.
There's kind of a beat to Dark Souls. It's a weird game to like. It's one of the few games where like I can't describe to people how to be good at it.
Yeah, it's called Get Good.
Get good, scrub.
Oh.
Yeah, there's kind of a rhythm to it.
Well, no wonder I'm bad at it. I have no rhythm.
And Jack and I have played instruments.
I tried. I'm just bad at it.
You were okay at trumpet.
No, I wasn't.
Well, you're good enough to fake it.
I can make one sound.
Is it the siren noise? Dude, when your teacher brought all of you guys into our classroom to make the siren noise at us. What the hell? Do you remember that?
No.
No.
Holy crap. It was one of the first things that they taught the trumpets was mouth control, right?
Yeah, and I have none.
Oh.
So they separated the clarinets because we were different. Well, we were different. I think you were a year ahead of me. So you weren't in my class. Either way. Yeah, because I had the Peter kid. And in the middle of class, all the trumpets or all the brass instruments come. I'm not playing. All of the brass instruments come in and essentially go, "Look what we can do," and all of them go. On their fucking mouthpieces pulled out of their instruments. What? I can't believe you don't remember this.
Nope.
Because I remember looking at you in the eye like, what the fuck?
I can tell you right now, I probably didn't do it right. I just made one sound, kind of quietly, so nobody noticed.
Well, most of it. Funny, that's how I got through a lot of clarinet. Like,
Well, I don't know how I got into wind ensemble, but I think I was the best of the worst. Because I was last chair.
I thought you were pretty good, weren't you?
No.
I thought you were.
I practiced, throughout my time in high school, I practiced once. And that was to get into wind ensemble. Other than that, I was just very loud.
Here you go.
My conductor would actually tell me to quiet down all the time. Because I usually play third clarinet parts, and I'm like, okay, you want a really nice, deep foundation. Or a strong foundation. And I guess I came up too strong sometimes.
My clarinet played really nicely until like the cork started giving out.
Are you supposed to replace that?
Yeah.
I'm upset right now.
What?
You beat that guy so quickly.
I'm sorry. I told like Dark Souls has like each enemy has like a beat to it, and until you kind of figure that out, not to say that I'm good, but this is just the beginning.
I can't remember how many times I died to that guy. And
Okay.
you just walk in there.
It's because I've died to him a bajillion times. I'm kind of through like the first little bit, so like I know what I'm doing, kind of. I know some lore. I know a handful of secrets and loot and
Secrets.
Secrets.
I want the twisty sword. Where's the twisty sword?
The twisty
What?
sword. The sword that I just pulled out of the guy back there?
Yeah.
Oopsie. Uh-oh.
Ooh.
Sorry. Ha.
You just pull it out of him and it disappears.
Oh, it's because I'm gonna use it in a minute.
Oh.
I'm gonna light. All the bonfires have those twisty swords in them. I'm gonna go light one with it.
Oh.
And I found a bunch of bonfires. Get up there. And I have yet to use the twisty sword again. Till ever light one.
Huh.
There's also a bunch of lore in this game that nobody ever tells you about. You're just supposed to like figure it out or make it up for yourself.
It's kind of neat.
Well, that's like Bloodborne. Everyone's a beast. They all burn.
Good luck.
Yeah. They don't like you, Hunter.
Oh, you're awake. Yeah, everyone hates you. Go get it. Go get him, Tiger.
No. It's, you're awake, I'm gonna give you a blood transfusion.
There you go. That's the start of it, isn't it? He gives you like a blood transfusion.
Yep.
What?
The old guy.
Thanks.
Maybe we'll play Bloodborne, who knows? Maybe we'll just suck it at the
Die.
Dark Souls. Ember. Should heal, huh? Oh, somebody outside is doing drifties.
I don't think they can hear that. Maybe.
Jesus.
Wow.
I know!
Look at that guy
I'm
go.
waiting for the crash. I know you guys can't hear it, but this is like...
He's still going.
This is like a solid like 15 seconds. Alright, this one.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Bonfire lit.
Face.
I know, look at that. It's the face of love.
Welcome to the... I am a fire. I tend to the flame, and tend to thee. The lords have left their thrones, and must be delivered to them. To this end, I am at thy side.
That makes no sense.
I skipped the first little bit out of habit. Because I've tried to make like 3 or 4 characters already.
Very well.
Level up,
Then
up,
touch
level
the
up, level up.
darkness within me.
Whoa now.
Take nourishment from these sovereignless souls.
You know, the doll in Bloodborne talks a lot less than you.
We have a strong like 6-7 souls to do right out of the gate, and I don't know how to spend them honestly. Just shoot it all into strength like immediately.
Do it.
Okay, well, honestly, I do want more vitality.
So,
One for
would you
vigor.
say there's like a soft cap to the stats?
What do you mean?
Farewell,
So, like,
Ashen One.
something they say in Bloodborne
May the
is if
flames
you
guide
want to
thee.
level up, get everything to 20. And then afterwards, then focus on something.
I don't know. I mean, I've watched like some other people play, and I've seen a lot of guys try to like, they build their character for specifically what weapon or armor set that they want to use in the end game, whether or not they have it. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, they'll just deal with whatever shit armor they have or are using until shit gets better for them. So...
Oh, that homeward bone.
I've kind of, I've kind of just been throwing... I don't know, I don't want to say stats at whatever I need, because there have been times where I'm like, boy, I aggressively need more health, but I need more strength or whatever. Like, more than I need more health. Yeah, so I don't really know, honestly. I guess we're kind of going for a strength build. We're going to do this, which I hope doesn't take 20 minutes. If this takes too long, I'm going to give up. I'll do it off screen.
What are you doing?
You can use this tree or whatever. Whoops.
That's not the right
You
way.
can use this tree or whatever. You can use this tree here to get up onto there. And there's stuff up there.
Oh, that.
Of course, the last time I did it, we weren't recording, and I did it in 2 jumps. Hey! Hey! Oh, I should have waited, because there's that bird up here I can trade her stuff.
It's not like you can't come back later.
Yeah, but it's a pain in the ass. I don't think there's anything over here. Except for that guy. He's a real pain in the ass. Fuck that guy. He's got the katana though, which is kind of cool, but we're not really using a dex build. I guess that katana can kind of carry you a little further than you'd expect though.
I'm gonna laugh if you fall.
You know what? You remember earlier when I said that I backstepped off of something that I was trying to...
This.
Yeah, it was here.
Good job.
I can leave the bird. I think one of these...
What does that do?
It's a peace offering.
Kind of. The bird never attacks you.
Me, pickle pea. Me, bumperum.
What is happening?
It's like an invisible crow. It's in other Dark Souls games. She's another Dark Souls game. Her name is Pickle Pea Pumperum, I believe.
Okay.
And she did the excited noise. She was like, pumperum, pumperum. So I exchanged. Yeah. I exchanged. Yeah, for a large tanninite shard. Okay, that'll help later.
Neat.
Yeah, you can trade her all sorts of stuff. I don't know everything that you can. You know what I never use ever? These homeward bones. Let's give her one. Let's see what happens. I'm sure there's a list somewhere.
Me, pickle pea.
rum, bumper rum, bumper rum. Let's leave you one of these. Let's see what you give me.
You just hit discard.
Is that not what I hit? Oh. Damn it.
There you go.
That's okay. I never use them.
What do they even do?
Picklebee.
I got really excited.
Picklebee. Picklebee.
Okay. I got a sign, call over, and I got iron bracelets. Neat!
Oh, look at you.
Yeah, I wonder if it's part of like a full set that I don't know how to get. I wonder if I leave her one of these.
You. No. No.
Oh, she didn't like it.
Nope.
Okay.
That no, Picklebee.
Alright.
You made her sad.
I know, and I got nothing else to give her to make her happy. This would be right. This was an illusionary wall. They're kind of all over the game. I only knew where this one was actually from this little message here. That tells me.
Time
for
for a
secrets.
Neat.
How terrible would that be that the first chest you find that's a secret would be a mimic?
Right.
It's like, welcome to the game.
Welcome to Dark Souls, baby. Did you find cool stuff? Time to duke it out. Make you work for it. Okay, I believe that's all I wanted. Now we can, I almost jumped off. That would have been fun. Wow. I guess we progress. Oh, actually, I lied to you.
Liar.
I got a thing for my Estus.
How dare you lie to me?
And
Well, I am. You're in search of the
Should probably
Lords
let
of
Steve
Cinder, I trust.
Nah.
A toilsome journey, I'd wager.
toilsome
You
journey,
require
I'd
good
wager.
arms. Let me smith you weapons. I am a smith. Such is my purpose.
And for Estus. Yep, a lot of Estus. Okay.
Pretty be careful.
Brother,
I don't want to see my work squandered.
He says that every time I stop talking to him. I've heard it so many times by now I'm ready to get it tattooed into my head. Brother, be careful.
That face. Oh my god. I'm not gonna use that face.
Him's a pretty boy.
If you say so.
Him's pretty. Him's a pretty boy. Large club. The silliest weapon in the game.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just a big like hunk of tree.
Okay. I mean, if you get hit by a big enough stick, it's gonna start hurting.
It's kind of the upside. Is that the first hit staggers the enemy, and then you just wail on him with this hunk of tree.
Nice.
Just one of Derek's spirally swords back here.
Spider sword.
Can't have it though.
Ugh.
Did you ever get to use one?
I think there is a way to unlock one. I don't know how to do that. But I think I've had my world invaded by somebody with one.
Why must they be such a tease?
They're kind of neat, huh? They don't seem effective. Like,
Effective
I
at
mean-
stabbing.
I mean, it's a metal rod. It's still gonna hurt if it hits you in the head.
that's the spirit. It's all about brute force.
Yeah.
We're in that strength build mindset already. Alright, now one of these... What is this? Oh, it's a friend.
Oh, is that onion head?
Player 2. That's a much funnier name than my name. Okay, one of these ways is like the way out, and then the other way isn't. I can't remember which way that is. I'm gonna go this way first. 'Cause I don't think it's this way. This is for stuff. You are not stuff. Dogs.
It's okay, they hate you. I like how that dog just saved you from the other dog.
Yeah. Very interesting.
I feel like the dogs in Bloodborne are worse. Some of them breathe fire.
Oh, good.
Do they?
Yes.
Get out of her.
Oh, no. Oh, you missed.
He has a longer weapon than you.
Dog coming to it, better dispatch him. Was it not? Did it trick in my eyeball?
No, I thought I saw something.
Okay.
I think you saw that ghost person.
I'm open to the idea that I'm fucking wrong.
That's a crossbow.
Okay, one of these dudes transforms. It should be him. I'm gonna kill him first. He's one of the big homies. Longbow. I'm kind of just grinding souls while I get this stuff. Like, I'm probably never gonna use a longbow.
Why not?
You know, every time I try and use one, they seem rather pointless, like completely ineffective.
Oh.
However, this looks like I can do something here, but I don't know what that is. I guess I picked the right way if I can't fucking do anything here. Cute.
What happens if you go down?
Well, that's a way to kind of the final boss. We're gonna get down there later. The final boss of this area.
Right. Yeah. Not the whole game.
No, not the whole game.
It'll be a very short game.
Yes. Not like a boss wasn't the first thing in Dark Souls
It's only a little boss.
2. Yeah, he's just one of the little bosses. Just one of the little beasts.
That dude has a lantern.
Shit. Forgot about him. All these little guys, he piles them up for battle. And that sucks, because like they don't take a lot of damage, but they do like this crazy speed attack. And the first one, the first one that the first hit, I guess, the first hit that gets you. Whoa! It like it staggers you, and then they hit you a bunch more.
Oh,
I'm
buildings,
allowed to
I
hide in the
hate them.
boxes.
Buildings.
Yes, in Bloodborne they're like pitch black. And you can't see shit.
Turn your brightness up.
Well, that's not fun.
Oh, you know, there's a thing there. I don't think it's worth anything.
Get the thing.
Get all the things. What is
I'm gonna do it
that?
if I can remember. It's the
That looks like
dragon
a.
head.
Why is there a dragon head?
He's all fucked up. He's dead.
I don't believe you.
He's dead. Look at him. He's all jacked up. Oh. Didn't I fight stuff up here?
No.
Look out. Look out. Why are there explosions?
I actually don't know. I don't know what's throwing explosions at him.
Oh, up.
Oh, he's up.
He's firebombing you. I was very lucky you got both of them at once.
Yeah, no kidding. Why are binoculars?
Binoculars shouldn't
The
exist
game
here.
Give me. Why not? You don't know what time period this is. It's magic binoculars, for all you fucking know.
Should be a spyglass.
Should be a spyglass, yeah. It's another thing. The game gives you binoculars, and maybe other people use them. I don't use them.
Is there ever anything you need to look at from far away?
No. I mean, it's nice for like, I don't know, enjoying the environment.
Sightseer voice.
Sightseer. Uh-oh.
Wow.
Bad news bears.
You hesitated on one, and then you hesitated on the other, and they both died.
Oh.
That dragon's not dead.
Uh-oh.
That is very much in the live dragon.
Got him, Coat. Stop. Stop it. Stop it.
Look at all those free souls.
Oh, stop it. Oh, that's stuff. I automatically click the souls. Oh, you knew that, didn't you? You knew that. Should I fight the mimic before I save? I'm gonna fight the mimic. I'm gonna fuck him up.
Kill it.
This one tells me to. Be wary of trap.
Try Pyromancer.
Yeah, if you're a pyromancer, you can kind of get this guy pretty early. He's tough.
Yeah, he is.
He's not nice.
He's so big. Oh,
Whoa.
God. Get the dragon. Dragon.
I didn't even think about that. Yeah, lead him out to the dragon.
Oh, wow. Oh, no.
She's in the same way. It's the lizard. Just jump up the tall shit. Oh, no.
Please,
Oh
run.
no.
Please go away.
You don't have the high ground.
Got him! Oh, I'm out of...
Yeah, you are.
Well,
I need you to leave this area, please.
I save him. I don't know if he can get me up here. There's a guy that works out.
That guy?
Yep. I don't want to mess with him. Especially not if I'm already this dead.
Yeah, that guy looks like he's gonna fuck you up.
Did he
Yes.
jump all the way back there? Hold on.
I like how
Wait patiently.
I like how cocky you were with the mimic.
Yeah, but I also thought I had more health than that. I should have probably looked at my health. I'm just gonna make a mad dash for the mimic. He turns back into a chest if you leave him alone.
Does he get his health back?
No, he does not. Just kind of an upside to him. So here's the hard part: is that he turned. Oh, there he
Nope,
is.
he's
His
right there.
Fucking legs. All right, we'll come back for him. I'm not ready for that thing. That's just a Lothric Knight. I'm just not ready. I don't have the health or the energy, and the saves up here.
The only safe spot.
All right. Well, I think that's a nice. I think it's a nice little stopping point, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. Well, thanks for joining us, guys. Till next time, huh?